Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology, the Department of Information Technology. Today we are just going to see a role play in the subject Cryptography and Cybersecurity. These are my third year students, Kalyasi, Violena, Pratiksha, Sandhya, Sivashakti and Kavyarasi. We are just going to see a role play in the topic transposition technique. First of all, cryptography mainly consists of two types, that is symmetric cryptography and asymmetric cryptography. In the symmetric cryptography, again it is consists of two types, that is classical encryption technique and modern encryption technique. In the case of the classical encryption technique, it consists of substitution technique and transposition technique. In the modern encryption technique, it consists of block cipher and cipher. Substitution technique, it is a type of symmetric technique in which we are just replacing another letter in the place of a given letter, that is given plain text will be replaced with another letter. Whereas in the case of a transposition technique, here we are not replacing any other letter, we are just only replacing the position of the given plain text. Here we will see the transposition technique in detail. Kayasi, just explain.
Hello everyone, myself Kalyasi. I am here to explain about rearrange cipher. Rearrange cipher is a transposition technique used in cybersecurity. So first of all, in this rearrange, the letters of the rearrange are not changed, only the position are rearranged. The message is written in a zigzag pattern in rearrange cipher, so it is easy to understand. So first we have to see an example for this. So now I take an example as a plain text hello. So first we have to place the H in rail 1 and in a zigzag pattern now comes the E in a rail 2. So first H and E are placed in zigzag pattern and after that L is placed in a rail 1. Followed by another L is placed in rail 2 in a zigzag position to the before L. So finally O is placed in the rail 1 zigzag to the another L. So now we have a ciphertext for the given plain text. So the given ciphertext for the plain text hello is first in the rail 1 H followed by L and O, E and finally L. So this is the ciphertext for the given plain text. So now we see about the encryption process and after that we have to see about decryption process. In encryption we have convert plain text into ciphertext, but in decryption we have to reverse the process like decryption ciphertext into plain text. Therefore, this is the ciphertext for the given plain text hello. In encryption, we have to convert the plain text into ciphertext. Now, in decryption, we have to reverse the process like ciphertext into plain text. Now, we are going to see about the decryption technique for the given plain text hello. So, first we have to place the hello in the rail 1 first position. So, in encryption, we have to place the given message in a zigzag pattern, but now in decryption we have to place the letters in row by row wise. So it is the difference between encryption and decryption. Now L is placed in same row as H. So followed by O is placed in the same row. So this is the rail 1 for the given plain text decryption process. H, L, O in rail 1 and followed by rail 2 is placed in another row. E is placed in the second rail and after that final L is placed in rail 2. So this is the decryption for the given plain text hello. H, E, L, L, O. So the decryption for the given plain text is we have to write the text in row wise, followed by we have to read the text in zigzag wise, which means first we have to read H followed by E and after that L followed by L, finally O. So this is the decryption for the given plain text hello. So this is the final process of the encryption technique. First we have to given the plain text and convert it into ciphertext, followed by and the next step convert the ciphertext into same plain text. So first we take a hello as a plain text and convert it into ciphertext that consists the letters like H, L, O, E and L. And after that we have to take the ciphertext and the same process will be repeated. Therefore, the given plain text and the decrypted text of the message is hello, H, E, L, L and O. So this is the decrypted text of the given plain text H, E, L, L and O.
Okay, thank you students. Hope you all have understood about the topic in detail. Let's see in the next class. Thank you.